Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write side by side in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to write text side by side. Firstly, go to the pages section, select a page, then click right button on our mouse. Then we add a page. Then click OK. Now we want to add text side by side, click the text frame option and draw a text frame. Now we draw two text frame side by side. Then write anything to the first text frame, then go to the second text frame and write anything. Now we can see we write side by side very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.